Hello everyone. So, this is gonna be a first vlog after a really long time because I was just busy with daily life activities and did not really manage to upload anything. So I am today in Manchester. I was here for a conference and I thought, hey, why not take a record of those streets and the environment. So I will be going to Edinburgh this afternoon later. So I have still an hour and a half to walk around the city and discover what's up. I didn't have much time during the week because I had a presentation, didn't get any prize, unfortunately. But I think I was also not anyway like shortlisted or anything. So yeah. Now I actually want to go to the riverside, but I think I am wrong to be going to the riverside. Which, I mean, I would say Manchester is not the best looking city, but it has its charm. Like there's a lot of old stuff, and then next to the old stuff is a lot of new stuff, and yeah. So this is really nice. Oh, I think there's even a Chinatown. We love Chinatowns. This is something I miss kind of in Switzerland. You don't have this international feeling, like everything. Oh, it smells really nice. Everything is like, yeah, you don't have like this Turkish, this Italian separation kinda, which is good because it means the integration kinda works better. But at the same time, this is, I think, such a cool thing to have these small Chinatowns and whatever towns. It just gives such a nice vibe. And yeah, I totally would wish that we had this also in Switzerland. And what's really nice that I recognize is they have these really nice trees with these cherry blossom flowers, or however they are called, and just really all around the city, and it's so nice. So yeah, this I really like. Oh, there is more of Chinatown here. Yeah, I didn't have much time because I was preparing for the presentation, and again, I was nervous. I could feel it, like apparently in my voice people could hear it.
And those are the grades that you get.
So gonna continue recording, but might stop after a moment just to take some pictures as well, because I think there are some really nice buildings that deserve some special attention. But yeah, I think like the conference was nice, but it was so fully packed, really. You didn't much have time to go out or see the city. And then in the evenings, usually there were these social events, meaning you're also blocked all evening to do anything in the city or go and discover a bit. So this is really like 2 hours that I have left to see what's there. It is really not a fancy, I don't want to say, I think it is a city that they have also these bees showing their hard-working attitude, but I won't say it is a city that has kind of a lacking personality, maybe? I don't know. Well, they have football. But that's why I want to just walk around. What's the personality of this city? And sometimes you have these type of really ugly buildings. It's one type of building that I don't like at all. It's confused, like it's a confused building, I say to them, because they are not old, neither are they new, really. They have an architecture that is somewhere in between, but nothing properly. So I'm not a major fan of them, but they exist, and yeah. Oh, I forgot that they have here like school uniforms too. Oh, yesterday night I saw a really ugly building. Really ugly. I don't remember anymore where it was located, but it was really one of the, that's a nice one, for example. Like this old new contrast so close to each other, I think is beautiful. But the building that I saw yesterday, ugh. Either way. So yeah, I really like to walk through these streets and just have an impression of how things are, where things are. And yeah, I think we were here for dinner on Tuesday or somewhere close by. I don't know. Looked really like the place. Oh, yeah. One thing, I was just talking to a professor that used to work in the lab I'm working in, and yeah, he kind of talked about how they stagnated and there is like not any new spirit. And yeah, these talks usually like really irritate me and are a bit frightening, because I am now there. I feel like I'm too much in the shit to... Oh wow, this is nice. Oh, look at this, beautiful. This is a nice street, really. King Street. So yeah, I'm there. I'm too much in the shit to go out, and I try really to make the best out of it. Like, but yeah. I really need to, I feel like still sit down and think about how can I make the best out of it, because I'm at a stage where I really need to understand better what I'm doing and what I want to achieve, right? So this is an important part. Oh wow, this street is so pretty. Let me walk through this street because it's just so pretty.
quite a side as well.
Oh, this is so gorgeous. Okay, here I need to end to take some pictures of these flowers.